Okay, this is the 8-inch adjustable crescent wrench. And go.
Advantages.
Cheap. Very cheap. Very durable.
Versatile. It can do a whole lot just
Do
with the...
everything. Can't open a bottle. Tender point.
Well, there's question on whether it can open a bottle or not. Disadvantage.
You gotta move it a lot. You're moving the wrench a lot.
You gotta move it a lot.
To
And
do what you want it to do.
and again, with experience, you can get really, really fast with
yeah.
them.
You can get it pretty close sometimes too. You can't do the handles.
It can't do the handles.
Very well. You can
Grab
get
the
it
top
up.
and the bottom and pull it. Grab the top and the bottom of the insert. No. There you go.
When in doubt, manhandle it.
Manhandling is a last resort.
I know.
Okay, we were at 19 seconds for the Source 4, 42 seconds for the Power Can, for a total of 1 minute and 1 second.
All right,
Slows you down
great.
on the yoke.